Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching vegetable names in Zulu. Isipinashi. Isipinashi. Isipinashi means spinach. Uanyanisi. Uanyanisi. Uanyanisi means onion. Ubatata. Ubatata. Ubatata means sweet potato. Amazambane. Amazambane. Amazambane means potatoes. Ikowe. Ikowe. Ikowe means mushrooms. Ithanga. Ithanga. Ithanga means pumpkin. Ubhontshisi. Ubhontshisi. Ubhontshisi means beans. Umbila. Umbila. Umbila means maize. Ukolweni. Ukolweni. Ukolweni means wheat. Upelepele. Upelepele. Upelepele means chili. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.